not just a school, it's actually my second home.
My teachers know me better than some of my relatives and they really get me. So if I am asking them about something, they teach me, they involve me into it. I get engaged very easily, just like my family.
Classroom is like we are free. Our ma'am is like a friend to us.
I share a special bond with my coordinator ma'am since she has been here ever since I joined the school, and she has seen me grow and she has been really helpful, and she introduced a lot of new events to me and asked me to participate in them.
The teachers in my school are helping me a lot for studying for grade 10, and not only just studying for grade 10 but also helping me plan what I should do in grade 11 and maybe in the future. Our teachers sit with us and we have one-to-one conversations. They help us decompress. They help us on what to study, how to study, and what we should study.
The teachers of the school are very great. They're friendly. We can ask questions. We're not shunned. Instead, we are encouraged to ask questions.
Teachers also give each and every student a chance. There is no one who does not speak a word.
We are making progress by not just studying but studying with fun.